You're watching Wall Street Confidential. We are at the beginning of a new week here on Wall Street, and it was a pretty dismal October, Jim.
Whoa.
We got a lot of bad numbers from corporations, from the economic indicators. And when you think about the market, there are various momentums, bull markets, bear markets. Where are we right now? Have we even approached a bottom?
Okay, Farnoosh, there's two different thoughts going on. One are the technicals, and every time we get to, say, 8,200 on the Dow Jones or near it, then it becomes a bull market, okay? And then we rally up 600, 800 points, then it becomes a bear market. Now, the reason I say it becomes a bull market, becomes a bear market, because anytime you can catch a 10% move, like we've seen a lot of that, which says, and in an election you catch a 3% move. I mean, we're catching 10% moves. So it's very difficult to quantify a market where you go up or down 10%, because we've never seen it before. But what I would urge you to realize, and my friend Doug Cass writes it today, like Doug, we were down 300 on Friday. So when he comes in, the market doesn't open that badly, and he says it's time to buy. And that's not wrong. Here's my problem. I'm a stock guy.
Right.
I don't have any stocks to buy. I mean, I don't have any. I mean, Dollar Tree, maybe a Family Dollar. But the futures guys are totally in charge. So you'll see that anomaly on Friday of oil down big, but Exxon and Chevron moving up. That's just the futures. So if you can trade S&P futures, it's a fabulous market. Or if you can trade the QQQ, it's a fabulous market. If you trade the underlying stocks in the QQQ, you're out of luck. There's no stock that works. Maybe a couple biotechs.
We saw a lot of volatility recently, a lot of selling because of the hedge fund redemptions.
Right.
And people say, this isn't even a market for you and I. It's a market for the big institutions, as it's always been, but now more so than ever.
I think it's a market only for the hedge funds. The big institutions can't move this fast. And what's happening, and I'll give you some personal insight. My daughter's in a stock club, okay? And she says to me this weekend, Dad, why does anyone ever own stocks? And the answer is right now, I don't know.
All right, Jim. I'm going to end it there.
Yep.
Thank you very much for that. Lots ahead this week, folks, so we could see the market move in any direction. We'll, of course, bring you Wall Street Confidential every morning. You're watching TheStreet.com TV. Stay tuned.